Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2020 Ford F150 Lariat. This casting is by Auto World and it is from 46's branch. I think that's the edition. Uh, as you see, it says it's got die-cast metal body and chassis, rubber tires, and opening hood. It's a detailed engine, so it should be a good casting. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2020 Ford F150 Lariat out of its box. I'm going to start from the front. Obviously it's finished in this red paint, but then it has a lot of chrome accents to it. So you've got a chrome bumper, chrome finished grille, Ford badge. You also got detailed headlamp with running lights and turn indicators, which look good. You do get the fog lamp in the bumper. You also have looks like a small skid plate, not a bigger one, and has the 4/6 range on sign on the hood. Both the mirrors, windshield wipers, frame around the windshield. It says it has opening hood. We will come to that later, but you can see there's a lot of good details in the front. Moving to the driver's side, again some nice details, rubber tires, those really good looking wheels which you see on the actual truck. Ford F150 Lariat badge on the fender, chrome finished mirrors, chrome finished door handles, again the 4/6's logo on the front door. Side step is also there. No glass in the front window, rear one has one, and you can see some details for the interior on the front. Looks good, nice details. Fuel filter on the driver's side, FX4, that's the package you can get on the F150 trucks. I think it's a 4x4 package, so you get that, and you can also see the chrome bumper in the rear. Let's move back to the rear now. So you get a nicely done chrome bumper with the tailgate that also has some nice details, like the Ford badge, tailgate handles detail. You get painted tail lamps, F150 embossed in the tailgate. Number plate which reads Texas 4/6's. You also get a tow hook. Exhaust, I think it's a single exhaust, just on this side. You can't see one on that side. Now on the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler here, and obviously no steering inside. This is how it looks from the top. So bed has a bed liner, then you've got some nice finish there, and the small place where you can add a 2x4 to make like a floor. Yes, a lot of good details, and both trucks are have very different packages. So this one doesn't have sunroof, but other Lariat might have sunroof. So it's very different packages, options which are available with the truck. And this is how it looks from the bottom. On the base has a lot of good details, really nicely detailed. So the hood opens up. So let me open that and show you how does the engine look. Well, it's not easy to open this hood. It's very hard. So you can see the engine bay from here, and most probably it has the EcoBoost. I'm not sure. So either V6 or V8. You can see the black cover for the engine and fuse box. I think the only thing that I see in white might be the for the coolant bottle, might be that. Apart from that, you can see some details there. Well, it's not painted, so can't differentiate. But yeah, it has got an opening hood, some details in the engine bay too. Overall, I think it's a nice looking truck. I like the way Auto World has done the details on it. And between Auto World and Greenlight, I think I started to like Auto World more. The details are very on point. They only painted details. Greenlight does like other plastic materials, so that's the positive with that. But I think Auto World also looks really good, and I like this truck. So if you're in the market for a 1/64 F150, you might want to go with the Auto World actual F150, then you have to go with the one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.